Monday's winter storm caused thousands of power outages across the Commonwealth, and tomorrow's expected winter weather could cause more. 22 News spoke with the West Springfield Fire Department on how you can prepare for weather's worst. They say being proactive before the storm hits is key. Making sure all of your electronic devices, especially your phone, is fully charged. If you are going to be using a generator, make sure it's fueled up and ready to go. And don't forget to have plenty of firewood if you're using a fireplace or wood-burning stove.
Your detectors should still be active. There's a battery backup if they're hardwired, so they should be functioning normally. If there is a significant accumulation outside of snow, you want to make sure that you have the exhaust vents from any of your fuel burning appliances cleared so there's no carbon monoxide backup.
And if there are any outages to report, 22 News will keep you updated when power will be restored.